Hello and welcome to another freezing February Friday. The wacky weather continues in the Northwest as well as in the world. And speaking of the world, oh my goodness, I don't know what to say. My heart breaks and lots of sadness. One of the ways I deal with stuff like that is to create. So that's what I plan to do. I'm going to head into Bellevue as I've done before, a place I visit often because it has lots of photo opportunities. As you'll remember, last week I did not create a video for a variety of reasons, but one of them was I just didn't prioritize it. So one of the things I thought I'd share real quick is some 3 tips for getting out and being motivated to go create some photos. Tip number 1, I found that's practically helpful, is to schedule it. Put it on a calendar, on your phone, on your computer, on a piece of paper, or at least in your mind. Set aside some time to go out and create photos. I've been planning this for a week. I knew the weather should be pretty good and I would have time to do this today. So it's been blocked out in my mind as a day to create photos. Tip number 2 for creating photos. If you are like me and you go to same or similar places frequently, it's easy to get bored or not see anything new. So what I do, what I'm doing today, is I give myself an assignment. And the assignment I'm using today is last week's photography assignment in my artistic photography class, which is abstract and minimal. So for me, I'll probably lean into the minimal because that's me, but that's my assignment. So I've got those things in mind, and I'm going to remember, because I tend to get tunnel vision, to not just be so focused on that, pardon the pun, that I miss other opportunities. So while I've got one thing in mind, I'm also going to be still open to other things. And then my third practical tip for motivation, inspiration, help to get out and create some photos is plan a meal at the end. I've scheduled this day today and had in mind where I'm going to have lunch when I'm done. Local barbecue place in downtown Bellevue. They have really good beef sandwiches, and that's what I'm going to have. So I've got a plan, and having a plan is part of the first step in getting out there and doing this stuff. So that's my plan. So it's a blue sky day. It's very chilly, but I think the sun will help keep me warm and motivated. I'll let you know when we get to Bellevue. See you there. there you have it, a walk around downtown Bellevue with the assignment to create some abstract and or minimal photos in a place I've been almost 100 times probably. So hope that was helpful. Hope you found some interesting thoughts or perspectives and enjoyed the photos and the experience. If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave them below. I'd like to engage in conversation with you. That's a lot of fun. Additionally, these photos will be linked below where you can find them on Flickr and on my website to take a look at them in larger size without the YouTube compression. And if you want to see them on your social media, they will be showing up on my Instagram feed throughout the week, so join me there. One of the things I really enjoyed about this is seeing how these new, especially these modern glass and steel buildings, the reflections, how they play. I'm not a big fan of glass and steel because they tend to look a lot alike. But one of the cool things that happen is you get to notice kind of the relationship between the buildings when there's reflections and the light is just right. So that was kind of fun to play with. And my biggest help with that was the 70 to 300 out at, especially at 300, so you can just get some details, just grab a little portion of the image, of the scene, I should say, so that you can just concentrate on something small and tiny and some details. So I had a lot of fun doing that. I'm really grateful for that 70 to 300. That was super helpful in my experience of creating these photos. So again, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. You're gonna gently click the thumbs up button. That lets the YouTube algorithm know about videos that you like, so you'll see more of them in the future. And if you'd like to see more videos almost just like this, or at least me walking around places with my camera and showing you the photos, subscribe to this channel and you will get to join this journey on a weekly basis. I appreciate that. So I hope you have fun creating photos. I hope you stay safe, stay well, and that in the process of creating, you find some peace in the midst of this not so peaceful world right now. So best to you all. Take care, stay well, and I'll see you next time.